tops. Can you? And then what else? Can I add under that one?
Why? What happens if you cut the tops?
Yeah, I guess what happens if we cut the top of the plants?
New branches.
New, new, new branches will grow out. Basically. Yeah, cool. Do you want to move on to the next one? And then topping. So then how is topping different from the last one?
From this one.
Yeah, because you were saying the FIM is like cutting the plant tops. So topping, is it similar or it's a similar? So. And how is it different?
For me, I don't see the difference.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
One of the bigger differences is the amount of where you're topping at. Super topping will refer to removing a large section of the stem, or where the branches are. While filming is more for when you have a sprouting node point, which you pluck to create separating stems. The same thing can be done, but it's a little bit less harsh and considered a more high stress technique.